Hey guys, it's been a while since we last talked. We're December 5th, Sunday, and here we are on a beautiful day, perfect to film a farm tour. As you should know by the thumbnail, we're filming a farm tour. Who's that?
Oh, there you go.
Oh, hey, Zeph.
What?
Good day?
What?
How's it going?
I can't hear you. Oh, hey.
Hey, Zeph.
Hey, how's it going?
Not bad, you?
Oh, pretty good, pretty good. You know.
Oh, we're gonna start by showing you guys our... You good, buddy?
Yeah, all good, all good.
Like I said, we're gonna start by showing you guys our sheds around the farm. That's one of our main sheds. There's two big doors, so when we're harvesting, when we're done, we put our tractors and our wagons inside the shed, so in case it rains, it'll be protected. In the winter, we keep our tractors in the shed, and yeah, we also keep our wood stored back there, and yeah, that's about it for this shed. And this shed back here, we built it in 1984. That's just an old shed we keep the dozer in. We'll come back to it later on in the video.
This is the dome. It was built in 2012. And I actually remember they built this barn because there was a barn out east that got swooped by a tornado. So I remember as a kid hearing about that, and it was very tragic.
Here we have two grain bins. This one was built 4 years ago, and this one was built maybe 10 to 12 years ago.
Yeah, this is where the grain dryer goes during harvest season.
Yep. So moving on.
So this is a small grain bin built in the 1980s. Corn in there right now. So this is the manure pit. The manure from the cows in the barn comes out here and fills it up, and when it's full, pump it out into a tank and spread it on the fields for some good fertilizer.
Here in front of me, we have the chicken coop. When Wilfred Decus, my dad's grandpa, when he bought the farm, he built this this chicken coop. That's where we keep our chickens in the summer, and and in the winter we keep them inside the barn. So in front of me we have the welding shop for when we break parts. We park our tractors or whatever equipment we have broken in front of the shop, and here we have our tools to fix it.
Farm equipment repair shop. So.
Yep. Here, this is our heated garage. We have a couple tools in here. So basically a garage where we store our tractors, equipment, and yeah, that's about it for this garage. Moving on.
So hard, I came out above it. Don't know what it is about that little gal's loving, but I like it, I love it, I want some more of it. My mama and daddy tried to teach me courtesy, but it never sank in till that girl got a hold of me. Now I'm holding umbrellas and opening up doors.
This is our last building to show you guys, and this is where we keep our cows. So I'm about to put my overalls and my boots, and I'll show you guys inside the barn. So this is where the cows stay during the winter. There's different breeds in here. It's mixed with Hereford, Limousin, Seven Tall, and yeah, that's about it. This is one of our calving pens. This is where we bring our cows when they're about to get their calves. This is our second calving pen. Back here, these are me and Tyler's Holsteins. That's the bull, the big boy, and that's two stalkers. We went to the auction maybe 1 week ago, and we sold 10 stalkers, and we kept two.
Everything is better with some cows around. Living in town sometimes brings me down. Let me bestow this western blessing and share what I have found. May you always have cows around. What else you gonna spend that extra money on? What else is gonna get you up hours before dawn? What else is gonna keep you toiling on and on and on? May you always have cows around. Come on, you know that you got too much time on your hands. Not nearly enough complication in your plans. You need to invite all of the frustration that you can. May you always have cows around. Everything is better with some cows around. Living in town sometimes brings me down. Let me bestow this western blessing, leave you saddle bound. You always have cows around. What else could make the bishop swear like a sailor might? What else can cause such tension between a man and his wife? What else could ever bring all these enhancements to your life? May you always have cows around.
So we are a fourth generation farm. We harvest around 400 acres. We sold dairy cows back in 2002, and currently we have around 20 cows, and by the summer we have around 10 to 15 more. This is the Polaris Ranger XP 2010, the farm side by side. In front of me, we see the DeCoste Realty trailer. So when my dad sells a house, he offers it to his clients in case they want to move their furniture and stuff. So yep. This is the 7110. I believe it's 1996. That's the hay rake. And behind it is the disc vine. And behind the disc vine, you see the round baler. That's for the pit. Is the square baler, New Holland. This is the John Deere dozer, 1976. That's the 4610, 1989. The T7, it's 2014. We bought the T7 because our old tractor couldn't pull the Limken. It did not have enough power. So that's our Limken. The 5600, the model is in between the 46 and the 76. That's the DX 2009. This is our John Deere 8-row corn planter. Behind me, we have the John Deere no-till drill. And before we bought the Red Rocket, we had a New Holland TR-86 1996, I believe. It was a 6-row corn head and a 16 feet soybean table. And we traded it at Reese Farm Equipment in Saint-Isidore. So, yep, moving on. Couple of wagons right there. Our dryer is back there. And up there we have our Farm King auger. So that's about it for this shed. Diesel gas for the tractors. Behind me you see the Caterpillar shovel. And behind me we have the big boy, the dump truck. That's about it for our tractors and equipment, which means that's a wrap for our farm tour from me and Zeph. In the near future, you guys will have a better understanding when I'm talking about my tractors, which is good. Also, we received 20 hats. Our options are dark gray and gray. And we have a couple beanies left in stock, so text us on Facebook or Instagram, and yep. Yep, that's a wrap. I hope you liked it. Peace.